Today we're reviewing this Dreo PTC fan heater. All right, here we are. It's got this display panel. Press power here to turn it on. It's got 3 different modes. So this mode here is the fan mode. It's not producing any heat. It's just acting as a fan. Then you press this, and this is the heating mode. You've got 3 different settings here. This is heat 3, which is high. You've got heat 1, which is the lower heat. So on heat 1, it's using 700 watts of power. Heat 2, it's using 900 watts of power. And on heat 3, it's using 1500 watts of power. And you can definitely feel it. A lot of heat coming out. Go down here to eco mode. Now you can set the ambient temperature that you want in the room. Whatever you want. Let's set it to 77. That sounds good. Let's bump it up. 78. There you go. And now it'll just auto adjust. It'll heat up until the room is 78. And then it'll turn off until it needs to turn back on again. Press this one more time. We're back to fan mode. So those are the 3 different modes. You can press this here to oscillate. There we go. Now it'll oscillate back and forth, left and right. All right, lastly, we've got this timer mode. So you can press this and press it again for 1 hour, 2 hours. It goes all the way up to 12 hours. So you can have it going as a fan or as a heater for that period of time. So there we go, back to heat. One thing is when you turn this thing off, it'll count down from 30 if it was just on a heat mode, and that's to dissipate some of the heat. It's just running the fan right now, so it's just trying to dissipate all of that heat so that it doesn't turn off super hot. So it's getting less and less hot now. I can feel it, and then it'll turn off at the end of 30 seconds. There you go. You've got the remote here, which seems to have the same basic controls as the display on the heater. Looks good. It says don't use with a bent or damaged plug. If you've got 3 bent and damaged plugs, that's 3 times as bad. All right, there you go. There's our review of this little Dreo PTC fan heater. Not a bad little heater, and it seems like it does the job.